I'm standing in front of the Deichtor Center, a prize-winning modern office complex in the center of Hamburg. This fascinating building was designed by the renowned architect and designer Hadi Teherani, whose own architectural practice is located in this same complex. For him, good design and a good air conditioning system are central themes of his architecture. Mr. Teherani, you're an architect and a designer. How important is this combination? For me, they're actually inseparable. My approach on any project is to think integrally, which means that it doesn't just stop with the external walls. You could call it a continuation of my creative intent in relation to the building. Ideally, these elements should all merge together. The air conditioning is also a part of this holistic approach, isn't it? We do, of course, attempt to create optimal air conditioning, and if at all possible, we naturally try to make it invisible. That would be the ideal situation. And if it must be visible, it has to be so well designed that it is a pleasure to see. It must be an integral component of the overall architecture. If we succeed at this, then we've done our job well. You've also developed a new multi-service chilled beam together with TROX. How did you approach this? We simply attempted to let beautiful surfaces flow into one another, from the air conditioning element to the office ceiling surfaces. That way you don't have the feeling that one has to screw a box to the ceiling, but that the surfaces, let's say, simply combine and merge into a single well-formed whole. The next step is to look at all the components in the ceiling and see how we can integrate them. After all, it's not only the air conditioning, but also the lighting, diffusers, sound-absorbing surfaces, loudspeakers and sprinklers that can be integrated. And so we try to get all of these elements into this one object. And an optimization such as we achieved here with TROX is state-of-the-art, both aesthetically and from the point of view of energy engineering. So you've succeeded in integrating state-of-the-art technology with an aesthetically appealing and matching style. That's really brilliant. Many thanks, Mr. Teherani. I'd like to thank you. It was fun.